Welcome back to Swiss Watch Expo. We have two very exciting Tudor chronographs that we're featuring today. And these might be Tudor's boldest watches ever. And it's no surprise that it caught the attention of football legends such as David Beckham and Lionel Messi. And so these are just really great timepieces that have a burst of color to them that I think are really fun outside of the traditional blues and black and white dials that you normally see out there. So these are ones that are just a little bit more of a fun color, especially for the summertime. It's a really fantastic watch to wear during the summer season here. So first up, we're going to be looking at the Black Bay with the pink dial. And the pink dial is just this really vibrant pink color tone. It really makes for an instant statement while keeping it classy with that panda style, having the black subdials on both of these models here. And to me, I just think that that pink really shows off very nicely. And for men out there, you definitely can wear a pink watch. Don't be worried about doing something like that because nowadays these fun, vibrant colors for these watch brands are becoming so popular that they do tend to stand out. And especially during the summertime, these are just really fun bursts of colors that you can get on your dial there as well. And the next one that we have here is going to be the Flamingo Blue, which is definitely more of a striking turquoise color. It really has that eye-catching color tone to it. Again, that same panda style with the turquoise dial and your black subdial. So it gives you a very nice contrast on the dial itself while giving you that premium chronograph look to the Tudor watch here itself. So don't let the colorful dials fool you because these are really serious tool watches that come from Tudor, and both feature a 41mm stainless steel case, and they also have the tachometer bezel on the front here in black, which I think adds a nice contrast to the black subdials on the dial itself. And of course, these are all COSC certified as well with the caliber MT5813. So it's going to be an automatic movement with a vertical clutch on the inside, and it gives you a nice 70-hour power reserve. So this is definitely a great powerhouse watch that you can wear for an all-day event and wear it throughout the week if you're traveling somewhere. And you have 200 meters of water resistance and also Tudor's incredibly comfortable T-fit clasp on the inside here, so you can have those light adjustments on the inside for a quick on-the-fly adjustment without having to use any sort of tools on these. And these are just really fun colors. Again, the blues and blacks and whites kind of get a little bit more boring and more traditional. So if you have a few watches in your collection, definitely want to take a look at these fun pops of color, especially with these kind of pastel color tones. And David Beckham has been seen wearing the pink chrono, as well as Lionel Messi wearing the blue flamingo color as well. So let me know down in the comments down below, which one are you picking, the pink or the blue dial? And definitely check out our website, SwissWatchExpo, for our full inventory.